Well, hello everyone, how are you? So, I don't know if you ever remembered seeing past videos of this color poly mailer coming into me before. And I just want to make sure I don't cut anything. I need to sharpen my vinyl, plastic, tape, whatever else, scissors, but I got my first new fabric of the year. Let's see. I was surprised that it got shipped so fast. Anyway, I love grunges, and I'm going to be buying some to add to my stash. So this is one I've had my eye on for a while. This is Salmon, number 250. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love kind of pinks and oranges together. It's got a little bit of purple. Oh, I love that. And then the next one was Mint 155. I don't have really that many greens, especially what I would consider something I could use as a blender. So I got a couple yards of this, and I'm excited about that. The next one, I had bought, I don't know, probably 4, maybe 5 of this color movement fabric before, and I thought she'd sold out of it, but she had some more in, and this is a yellow. It's color movement yellow, and it's by our Yellow Kona Bay. It's from In the Beginning Fabrics. I really like the way this is. And then the last one, there was only 1 yard of this, but it is a cream of the same thing, that color movement, and it really, really looks good. I just need, some new blenders and stuff. So, I know I said that I was going to be sewing from my stash this year some. Well, I'm going to put it on my cardboards, and I'm going to stick it up on my fabric shelf, and then tomorrow morning I consider that my stash. How about that? I yeah, I'm sewing some fabric this year, and I need lots of blenders and stuff. So, um, yeah, I'm excited to get started. Anyway, have you made your first fabric purchase of the year yet? Oh, and I got this from Andy's Quilt Co. Um, which I had purchased from before. She's actually up in Edmond, Oklahoma, very near to me. Anyway, if you like the fabric, give it a thumbs up. If you love grunge, and man, this is just stunning. Let me know what you think. Talk to you later. Oh, so, and this year I am going to be keeping a running count of what I'm using, versus what I'm buying, because I'm hopefully going to have way more use than buying, which probably won't happen, but I'm going to try. And so far, the quilt that I'm currently working on, well, the top and the back, that's easily going to be 5, if not 6 yards, because I'm already like, I think 3 or 4 yards into the front. And then I made a pair of slacks for a large doll out of velveteen, and that was a 30 of a yard. So it's trickling up a little bit, but I'm going to try to keep tabs of it. I should write it all down so I don't forget. Anyway, if you like grunge, give it a thumbs up. Talk to you later. Bye.